Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to another session of PSLE Math. Alright, with us, MasterMaths. Alright, so again, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, so today we'll be doing another topic of PSLE, which is on percentage. Okay, so percentage is another topic which is closely associated with fractions, with what's the thing called, like ratio and all that. Okay, but it can have its own sets of questions also. Alright, so today we're gonna do that. Alright, so before we continue, alright, as per usual, okay, go and click share. Okay, go and spam your screen. Okay, share the likes and all that. Okay, yeah, so today Coach Nawas got something on, so that's why there's no secondary school life for today. Alright, okay, come on everyone. Okay, click the share button, right? You see the arrow there. Okay, go and share with your friends, your classmates, your cousins. Okay, all the group chat that you have. Okay, go and tell them all. Okay, come on and join in this PSLE math. Alright, there will be a Kahoot in a while. You can see that my screen is getting ready to enter the Kahoot. Okay. Alright, okay. So come on, go and share and all that. Okay, at the same time, alright, okay, it's the beginning of a long weekend, right, for everyone. Alright, so do share with us, like, what's your plan for the long weekends, okay? Okay, I'll click start in about a minute time, okay? Robot run. Don't want, later the robot run away. How? Hello. Okay. Okay, come. Alright, so the game pin is, as you can see at the top, 9524394. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it, enter 9524394. Alright, also as usual, okay, if you haven't followed us before, see on the right side of your screen there's a plus button, right? Okay, go and click that plus button. Okay, go and follow us. Follow us so that anytime we go live, okay, if you are not informed on our Telegram channel or on our Instagram or on our Facebook, okay, you will still be notified via TikTok. Okay, alright, thank you for the follow. Okay, so the other thing is that as we are doing this Kahoot, right, we are also doing as in the questions that we are doing is usually informed early on. Okay, how do you get the worksheets or how do you get the question is by entering this Telegram channel that we have here, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, so by following us on this Telegram channel, okay, you will receive the worksheets like few hours earlier, and another thing that you will get is the solutions at the end of the live. Okay, plus you will also be getting all our past worksheets. Okay, when you scroll down to the earlier chats, right? Okay, so I mean, like, I think you scroll up. Okay, scroll up to the earlier chats, right? Yeah, you will see all our past worksheets also, even worksheets from 2025. Okay, so in a way, additional resources for you guys also. Alright, thank you for the follow. Okay, hello everyone, okay, for those who are new, follow us, okay, at the same time, go and share this with your friends, okay, go and share it, share, more people can join this Kahoot, and we can have more people to compete with. Alright, and then, why do I join the Kahoot? Okay, so join the Kahoot because the first place for today will get a $10 popular voucher. Okay, so join early on, okay, from the start so you can get more points, okay, so it will put you to a better position, okay, to secure that $10 popular voucher. Okay, only the first place is getting the $10 popular voucher, okay. So how do you join the Kahoot? Very easy. You see the instruction at the top of my screen. Go to www.kahoot.it, enter 9524394. Okay, will end about 1 hour time. So about by 9:30 like that we should be done, okay. Alright, give me 1 minute. I need to go get some water, okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay, in the meantime, okay, go and join the Kahoot. Okay, or share or like, okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Alright, again, hello everyone. Okay, I will start in about 2 more minutes. Alright, okay, so when you win the first place, right, must remember later when I show the QR code, okay, if like you are in line for a first place position, okay, at the end of the last question I will be showing a QR code, okay, and ask you all to remember to scan, screenshot the, what's anything called, eventually you need to screenshot your first place that is showing your first place and scan the QR code and submit it, okay. Sorry. Okay, for those who didn't get, remember I told you to, I think maybe you mentioned to me before, told you to message in the TikTok, right? Okay. Okay, I'll begin in about 1 more minute. Okay, be patient. I'll begin in 1 more minute. Alright, those who are in this live but not in the Kahoot, okay, come on in, don't be shy. Just try your luck, okay. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 9524394. Okay. For P4, a bit tough but can still try lah, okay? Because there will be questions like percentage questions today, some ratio questions, all these where P4 haven't learned, right? Okay, but can still try. Okay. There is also a P4, P5 live every Tuesday, if I'm not wrong. Alright, so since you already follow us, right? Okay, later you'll be notified. Sec 3 is okay also. Okay, so anything above P6 is fine. Below P6, you can try your luck. Okay. Okay. Alright, anybody else joining? I give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. Alright, come in. Okay, we go to www.kahoot.it and enter 9524394. Okay, if you can see the game pin at the bottom. Okay, 9524394. Okay, I give you like 30 seconds. Okay. 30 seconds. Okay, come on in. Okay, yeah. Okay, so like the first 6 questions, no calculator allowed. Later on, like the remaining last few questions are like paper 2 questions. Okay, those questions I will allow calculator. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, okay, let's get the likes up to 3,000. Okay, everybody just go and tap your screen. Okay, let's get it up to 3,000 while more people are hopefully joining in. I think user, the one that ends with 3733, are you in already? Okay, how to like? Just tap your screen only. Alright, just tap your screen. Yeah, okay, so if yesterday the English teacher got 10k, today let's beat that record. Okay, let's bring it up to 11 or even 12 or even 13. Okay, we hit that before. And I think today is even easier because we got more people here in this stream today. I'm not gonna say that number. Alright, very good. We're already at 3 plus already. Sorry, today I have a bit of a cough. Okay. Anyone else still joining? Okay, very good. Okay. Alright, come on. First question. Express 4/25 as a percentage. Express 4/25 as a percentage. Okay. Yes, it's not the denominator as the answer, but you have to convert it to denominator of 100, right? Okay, so that's why the answer is 16. Okay, and again, it's not 4/2. Okay, and it's also not 60%. Alright, let's see who's the fastest. Okay. Okay, so the fastest is the amusing pelican. Okay. So the douche loco. You are the amusing pelican. Okay. Okay, and then we got the Rocky Stock. Okay, just few points behind. Okay, followed by Zenny Otter and Murful Jellyfish. Yeah, actually, all the number 2 all the way to number 5 are very close by. Alright, so it's technically still anybody's game. Okay. Next question. Question 2. Now express 0.25% as a fraction. Okay, so the thing here is that remember it's 0.25%, not 0.25. Okay, there I told you already. It's 0.25%, not 0.25. Yes, so if 0.25 itself as a fraction, yes, it is 1 over 4. But remember, 0.25% as a fraction, basically you have to take 0.25 over 100. Okay, remember fraction, convert to percentage, you put it over 100, right? So 0.25 over 100, simplest form is 1 over 400. Okay. Alright, so I foresee that with this question, we may have a lot of changes going on the rankings. Okay. Let's see. The amusing pelican managed to get the right answer. Okay. And now we got the muffled jellyfish up to second place. Okay, the lucky iguana now at the third place. Okay, with all... so there's a big gap now between the number 4 and number 5. Okay, good job, good job. Now, question 3. Okay, a bit of a word problem here. So during a sale, a store gave a store-wide discount of 20%. Okay, so basically everything is sold at 80%. But then out of this 80%, they give another 10% discount, which ended up he only paid $720. So what is the original price? You know, what is the total amount of discount that was given to him? Okay, so what is the total discount that was given to him? Okay, remember it's not just simply 20% and 10% put together, because they say that after the 20%, he was given an additional 10% on the discounted price. Okay, very good. Okay, most of you selected 280. Very good, very good. Okay, so we got the amusing pelican at 2,961. Very good, maintaining your first spot. Okay, and second spot, also maintaining with the jellyfish. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so before we go on to the next question, we are very close to 8,000 likes today. Alright, so everyone just spam your screen a bit more. Okay, go and touch spam, okay? A bit more. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, now let's go to question number 4. Okay, now another small word problem here. When Eric gives 25% of his income to his parent, okay, when his income was increased by 20%, his parent received $240 more. What is his income before the increase? Okay. Okay. No, that is not one of the answer here. Okay, if I'm not wrong, today we got 8 or 9 questions. Okay, so the thing must remember here is that, okay, his income is broken down into those that he gives to his parent and those that he keep for himself, right? So when his income increased by 25%, both of this amount also increased by 25%. Okay, so when this increased by this 25%, The increase for his parent is $240. Okay. Alright, come on, be nice to everyone, okay? Alright, like I said just now, if you get first place for today, you'll be getting a $10 popular voucher, okay? But remember to submit the form properly, okay? Correct. Okay, Sec 3, they are more focused on algebra and all that, okay? So sometimes this percentage question might be different for them also. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Okay, very good. Okay, most of you selected 4,800. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it's not 1,200. 1,200, if I'm not wrong, is the amount that he give to his parent. Okay. So, but 25% was at 1,200, right? That's why we need to find times 4. Okay. That's why it's 4,800. They're asking for the amount of his income before the increase, not the amount that he give to his parents. Okay, so for those who are joining, okay, the game pin is 9524394. Okay, let me put it here, 9524394. Okay, now let's see the rankings. Okay, Amusing Pelican still at the lead. Okay, very good. Okay, 3959. Okay, with the Jellyfish second place, 29 points behind. So still a very close lead. Okay, very good. Okay, so before we continue, just a quick announcement, right? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we are from MasterMaths. So what do? Is we provide educational services, okay, tuition classes and all that. But during the June holiday, okay, we are having a additional class, okay, on the 8th to 11 June. This is open up to 3 different groups. Those taking PSLE, okay, so those taking PSLE, we are providing additional math, science, and English class. Okay, those doing O level, okay, there's O level E-Maths and O level A-Maths. And those doing Sec 2 Maths, okay, so there are some promo codes here that you can use to register. Okay, can take note about this, okay, and then can find out more about this by going to our website. As you can see at the bottom of the brochure at mastermaths.com.sg. Alright, okay, thank you. Let's go. Question 5. Now, express 2.4 as a percentage. Naren, I don't understand your question. Is that a question or you're telling me? Okay, 20 seconds more. Okay, this is, I should have put lesser time for this question. Okay, very good. Most of you selected 15, okay? I mean 240%. Okay, so 2.4 as a percentage, you just times 100 lah. Okay? Yes, correct. Okay, the likes, very good. Thank you. We are now at 13K already. Okay, so I think on my end is showing like rounded off to whole number. That's why. Okay, so come on everyone, just spam your screen, okay? Okay. How to like, is it? How is simply just, you just tap your screen, right? It will be a like already. Okay. All right. I think it's double tap. Okay, now let's see the next question. But before that, amusing pelican still first place. Okay, very good, very good. Oh, the question just now 2.4 as a percentage. Basically, you times 100. Okay. So 2.4 times 100, 240. Okay. Times 100, not divide by 100. So if 240 divided by 100 is you're converting back to decimal, which will be 2.4 also. Alright, so here the question is asking about how many percentage of the students prefer chocolate as a percentage. Okay, express the number of students who prefer chocolate as a percentage. Okay, very good. Okay, especially because the numbers are all technically already in a percentage form lah, because the total is 100. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now let's see the rankings. Okay, so amusing pelican still first place. Good job, good job. Okay, jellyfish still trying to take over the first place. Okay, let's maintain, let's go. Okay, so the next few questions, calculators are allowed, okay? Okay, this question is a double points question, okay? This is a part A of this question. Remember, when they ask, I know they ask for fraction, but write the answer in decimal. Convert your answer in decimal. Okay, type it in decimal. Okay, everyone quickly just answer this. Okay, go take some more water in a while. Okay. 20 seconds more. No lah, today my throat a bit dry, that's why. Okay. 10 seconds more. Alright, again, for those who are first time here today, remember, okay, go and click the follow button. Okay, follow us so that you'll be notified next time. Okay. Wait, let me see. Anyone put 3 out of 5? Okay, let's accept the 3 out of 5. Even though I already say put in decimal. Okay, 0.3 cannot lah. Okay. I don't know also cannot lah. Okay. Okay, but next time if I say the so 7 of you, your answers are accepted. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Jellyfish is slightly falling back. Okay. Okay, but amusing pelican still first place. Okay, almost there, almost there. Okay, I think we got two more questions. Oh, there are three more questions. Okay, there's a part B for this question 7. Okay, the part B is a bit challenging. Alright, let's bring it up to 15k if possible. Okay. Okay, so given all the information as you've seen there, now another information that they tell you is that Mrs. Tan had 154 more chocolate cookies than almond cookies at first. Okay, how many almond and chocolate cookies were left in the container in the end all together? Okay, so the difference of 154 is for at first. They're asking for in the end what is the total amount left. Okay, total amount left. Okay, less than a minute more. Okay, less than a minute more. Okay, let's bring it up to 16,000 likes now. Okay. Okay, I put it extra time because I think this question actually requires more time to do the working. Okay. Especially for those who haven't seen the worksheet. Okay. Before this, so you all need time to actually work it out. Okay, that's why I give a bit more time here. Okay, but in case for future life, you all can get the worksheets early on by following us on this channel here, Telegram channel, joining it. Okay, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, you can access it. Okay, what number is that? Okay, the answer is only 126. Okay, there's no what, just not like whose phone number that one. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's just see anyone accidentally put something close. I don't think so. Okay, the phone number that one cannot accept lah. Okay. Okay. Amusing pelican. Okay, very good, very good. Still first place. Okay, jellyfish also still second place. Okay, everyone maintaining. Alright, come on, be nice to everyone, okay? Okay. Now, solve the following question again. Type the number without the units. Okay. So for this question, okay, after selling, he started off with some bags for sale that he have. Okay, so he sold 28 bags. Then there's the remaining amount, right? The remaining amount is cut into 8 portions. 5 portion he sold in the afternoon. The remaining portion is 25% out of the total amount that he started at first. Okay, so with that information, how many bags were sold all together? Oh no, I think there might be an error here. I think there might be an error in this question. Let me just quickly check. Then later I can change the answer. This is question 8. Oh, no, there's no error. Okay, yes. Very good. Thank you for all the likes, okay? Okay, we can bring it up even to 20k before the end of the live today, okay? Okay, 40 seconds more. Remember, we're only asking for how many bags was sold all together, not the total bags. Okay, remember, it's not asking for the total bags, but only asking for the amount that was sold. Okay, thank you for sharing. Okay. Alright, again, the solutions will be shared at the end, okay? I mean, like, I will actually go through the solutions with you guys during the live. Okay, so stay on in the live even though the Kahoot is done, okay? Okay. And please be nice on the answer also, okay? Don't put rude answers as what I've just seen, okay? Okay, yes, the answer is 63, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, 10,906 likes, points for the amusing pelican. Okay, and then the jellyfish still maintaining second place. Okay, very good. Okay, all the best. Let's go. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, okay, so we have a tuition center, right? Okay, so we have classes for English, PSLE math. I mean English for PSLE, okay, and then for maths we have from P1 all the way to O levels, okay, and for science we have for P3 to P6, okay. Yeah, so we have lessons going on at Woodlands, Farrer Park, Jurong East, Tampines, okay, and we also have an online option, okay. So also actually all our classes have online options also, okay. So you can actually book a free trial to find out to get experience about how our classes are going on, or you can also enroll. So there are two QR codes here. You can actually save them. All right. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Okay. Question 9. Last question for today. Okay. How many pages were there in the book? Okay. So there was a book. Okay. The ratio of number of pages that he read to the number of pages that were 100 was 6 is to 5. Okay, then after that he read some pages. He read another 195 page. In the end, 10% of the book was unread. So how many pages were there in the book? Alright, very good. We're already at 20,000. Okay, very good. Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay. Okay, 3 more minutes. Alright, so the hint for this question is that basically the number of pages in the books remain the same, right? So, like in a way, total of read and unread will always be the same. Okay, so even before that, when it was 6 is to 5, or after that, when it is 10% left, the total remain the same. Okay, so if you are stuck, right, you can use that as a hint. Basically, the total remains the same. Okay, so for those who have not answered, come on, try. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. Alright, so remember later after this I'll be showing the QR code. So basically save the QR code. Okay. And then remember to later also take a screenshot of your first place and to submit on the online form that you get when you scan the QR code. Okay. Alright, so yeah, especially if you think that you got this answer correct. Okay. You need to later take a screenshot of your on your phone showing that you are first place. Okay, we got less than a minute more. Alright, stay on, okay? Even though the Kahoot is done, stay on. I'll go through the solutions with you guys. 40 seconds more. Okay, 20 seconds more. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, don't worry, okay? I will be going through the solutions in a while, okay? So just stay on, okay? Okay, nobody else put anything close to 550, right? Okay. Alright, okay, so remember, scan this QR code. Okay. Remember to also take a screenshot of your first place, okay? Okay, whoever the amusing pelican is, you are the one who's supposed to scan this QR code if you are still first place, okay? And remember to take a screenshot of your first place position. Okay, now let's go. You can scan, but you cannot submit, okay? You don't have the QR code, you don't have the first place screenshot. $10 voucher, not $100. Okay, third place, we got the iguana. And second place, the jellyfish. Okay, then the first place is the amusing pelican. Very good, very good, very good. Sorry. Okay, so on your phone is showing the first place, right? Remember to take a screenshot of that. Okay, now let's go through how we got 550 for the last question just now. So remember, like I mentioned just now, right? The total remains the same. So we can put them into units. Okay. So read to unread was 6:5, correct? Okay, which is total of 11. In the end, it was 10% unread. So 10%, if we convert it to units, we will get read is 9, unread is 1. So this 11 and this 10, we make it to a common multiple. We times 10 times 11. Now we compare between 50 and 11, 60 and 99. we got that 39 units is 195. Okay, then we find 1 unit, and because we are asking for the total, so we need to find 5 times 110 equals to 550. Okay? Okay, if you want more Kahoot, alright, follow us, okay, and join us for our upcoming lives also. Okay, I think we will be even having a science live coming up soon. Okay, and then we also next Friday we'll also be having PSLE Maths live also. Okay. Okay, now question 8 just now, right? Okay, we break it up like I say into units also. So the first portion is the 28. Then we break up the remaining 8 into 5 and 3. The 3 is a 25% remaining. Okay? You don't get y must times 10. Okay. This part here times 10, is it? Okay, for science, make sure you are in this Telegram channel. Okay, once it's done, once they are confirming when is it and all that, they will inform the channel name also via this Telegram channel. Yeah, and most probably, if I'm not wrong, it's Master Science SG. Okay, so why times 10? Because we want to make it to the same common multiple between 11 and 10. That's why here I times 10, here I times 11. Because the total between the before and after must remain the same. Okay? Okay, now this portion here. So we know that 25% is 3 units. So total is 3 times 4 is 12 units. So the whole thing here is actually 12 units. So 12 minus 8, 4 units. So this is 4 units, which is 28. So 28 divide by 4, I got 7. Where is 9? There's no 9 here. It is 28. So lastly, this is what sold, right? Okay. So 5 units, 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 28, 63. Okay. Question 9. How do I get 9? This 9, is it? Because 10% is unread. So 90% is read. So simplest form 9 is to 1. Okay, I'm converting the percentage to ratio. Okay? Okay. Okay, question 7. Okay, question 7 just now they mentioned that 60%, he took out 60% of the chocolate cookie. Okay? Don't worry, okay, if you are copying down, okay, just remember we are gonna send the solution in this channel here. Alright, so take note of this channel. Okay? And then log in here, join this channel, Telegram channel. Okay? And then yeah lah. Then join this channel. Okay, then you can get the solution. Okay, why TikTok not Zoom? Okay, Zoom is for Zoom there's a limit, okay, that we can do, while TikTok there's no limit, right? Okay. Okay, same thing with Google Meet also. Okay. Okay, now let's get back to this question 7. 60% was taken out, so they asked for fraction of that was taken out. Okay, that's why simply 3 out of 5. What fraction of the chocolate cookies, not of the cookies? Okay, that's why 3 out of 5. Okay, so now the second part where they say about 154 more chocolate cookies than almond cookies at first, right? Okay, Okay, let me zoom in a bit here. Okay, so at first, we know that we have the chocolate cookies take out 60%, right? So it's a fraction of 3 out of 5, remember? So I started off with these 5 units. I take out 3 units, I'm left with 2 units. Okay? That one is for my chocolate. Now what I know is that Mrs. Tan had 154 more at first. Okay, more chocolate. So my almond is 5 units minus 154. Okay? So now, the amount left in the end was 2:5. Now, this 5 and this 2, they are supposed to be the same thing. So, I times 5 times 2 to make them the same. Okay, so that's why in the end, 4 units is the almond. Now, if I go backwards, right, when I times 5 here, that means here also must times 5 times 5. Okay, so it will make sense that we have 25 units, I minus 15 units, I'm left with 10 units. Okay? Alright, now from here, we can see that he got, what's the thing called? The almonds, right? 25 unit, I minus 154 at first. Then I minus another 35 cookies. I got 4 units left. Okay, I repeat again. At first, he got 25 units minus 154. Then, I minus another 35. I'll have 4 units left. So, from 25, it drops to 4. That means it is a 21 units. So, 21 units is actually made up of the 154 plus 35. I got 189. Okay, so 189 divided by 21, I got 9. So 1 unit is 9. They're asking for total in the end. 4 plus 10 equals to 14 units. 14 times 9, 126. Okay? Okay. Now we go to question 6. Question 6 is, like I say, the easier ones because the total adds up to 100. So when we form the percentage, 25 over 100 is just simply 25%. Alright, come on guys, be nice on the chat. Okay, now question 5. Express 2.4 as a percentage like I already said just now. 2.4 times 100, okay, is 240%. Okay, alright, come on, stop discussing about the voucher, okay, don't, as long the winner already scanned the QR code and submitted the proof, okay, the winner will get it, okay? Okay, now question 4, 25% of his income to his parents, and then, like I said just now, the amount he gave his parents and the amount he kept, if increased by 20%, both will increase. So 20% of what he give his parents is actually 240. So what he give his parents with 100%, I times 5, I got 1,200. Okay? So 25% of his income is actually 1,200. So 500%, I times 4, I get 4,800. Okay? So that's how I ended up with 4,800. Okay, now, question 3. During a sale, a store gave a store-wide discount of 20%, and then another 10% on top of the discounted price. So, in a way, imagine 90% of the discounted price is 720. So you see here, 90% of the discounted price is 720. I do part by part. So 10% of that discount is actually divided by 9, I got 80, and basically the original price, no, not the original price, the discounted price is 720 plus 80 is $800. This is 80% of the original. Okay, now 20% of the original, I divide by 4 is 200, and to find the total discount, right? That's why I find 20%. So it was 200 and the 80 plus together, I got 280. Okay. Okay, this one just now, the one that I think most of you did wrongly, right? Remember, because percentage to fraction, you divide by 100. So 0.25 over 100, I times 4 to make it 1 whole. So that's why 1 over 400. Okay? And the last one, 4 over 25%, 4 over 25 as a percentage. I can change 25 into 100 by times 4. So 4 times 4, 25 times 4, become 16%. Okay? Alright, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Okay? I hope today's session has been beneficial for everyone. Okay? Yes, that is a 4. Okay? Times 4. Okay, so thank you everyone. Okay, I'll be back again next Friday at 8:30. Okay, the science, the O-level math will also be back next week at 7:30. Okay. Okay, don't worry, okay? If you miss out the solutions, go to our Telegram channel, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, and you can get the solutions there. Okay, it will be uploaded in about 5 more minutes like that, okay? But go into our Telegram channel first, MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, thank you. Okay, and enjoy your long weekends ahead. Thank you everyone. Good night. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye everyone.